At a press conference held on Thursday, Bari Pyngrope said that there is the need to change the reservation policy in the state, so that the unemployed youth of today get equal chance in applying for jobs in different departments. She further stated that the reservation policy in the state hasn't been changed for the last 50 years since statehood. She also appealed to all the youth and other NGO to join here on Saturday for the signature campaign at taxi stand, Mawkhar at 11 in the morning.
I'm Bari and I'm a student of this state. And I've been battling and I've been urging the government to listen to our plea to change the reservation policy, which is unequally distributed. So for that, we are going to hold a signature campaign on Saturday, that is the 29th of this month. And the venue will be at Mawkhar taxi stand, and it'll be at 11 a.m. And I urge all the community to please come and sign. Please show us the unity that yes, this policy will have to change. And that is the whole message of this campaign that we are holding.
So what is your demand?
This is all because of the youth. This is your movement, guys. So I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of the youth. For now, I just know that we'll hold this signature campaign, and we need a leader, and we do not want to involve any political agenda in this. But since Bari Adelbert is also going towards this issue, he wants this issue to be solved. We will also ask him, we will just get some suggestions as to what we will do next. See, I respect the legislature, I respect the authority, so I will not say, because there are so many opinions flowing that no, we want 30, 30, 30, we want 40, 40. No, that's not up to me. I respect the legislature. That is their decision how much to give us. I just know that this is not equal. How can one tribe get 40 and how come two tribes get 20? See, that is my issue.
Okay.